injured in an early morning wreck near Calabasas. He was a passenger in his 1970 Plymouth Barracuda when the driver lost control. Hart posted a picture of the car on his Instagram page back in July. According to the police report, the car actually rolled down an embankment. Hart suffered serious back injuries and went to the hospital along with the driver. Police say at this point there's no indication drugs or alcohol were involved. Violent car crash. CHP says another man was driving Hart's 1970 Plymouth Barracuda with the comedian and another woman inside when he lost control. The car went off Mulholland Highway and rolled down an embankment just before 1 a.m. This is Hart with the muscle car there. Officers say he and the driver suffered major back injuries. Hart walked to his house and got medical attention. The driver was transported to a hospital. The woman had minor injuries.